Let's imagine that for any reason I would like to place a room here and I would like to highlight what was the useful area. In some countries there is a specific value which if you fall under, if your room is falling under that value, then it's not considered inhabitable. So this value can be controlled here in the settings. You can go and find the item settings, and it's called the minimum area of the minimal height belonging to the net area, and it's this value by default. You can change it here, and this is where it is what's controlling where that specific line, which we will see soon, controls the position in the 2D.
So now we are going to leave it as 1.9, but you know it varies from country to country.
Yes. So now what I do, I just simply use this Roomba walls. I click here and tell, well, this can be a living room or anything else. I can rename it, but the point here is that I can select it. I can go to the details, and the room book or room and area has a specific feature which is called the profile and area properties, and there is this net area. This is how the software can distinguish which is the useful area and which is the useless area. And now let's just make it red so we can easily see where it is, and I can also change the line type, the line weight, and so on. And by default it's not visible because there is an option that I need to use. I need to select it, and in the local menu there is something called the net area on-off switch. So I can turn its visibility on. And if there is this line, it's obviously this part is the lower part, which is falling under that value.
So that's the the area south from this line is below 1.9.
Yes. So it's always the lower area is at one of the side, and the taller or the higher area is on the other side. And actually, all the rest is actually calculated here. So if your country is using this or something similar, you can turn it on here, and then also the software will represent that other value. Or you can just simply turn off the other one, and you can just use one single value.